Hi everyone, my name's Andrew. I'm the videographer here at Dynamic Corvettes, so I'm usually on the other side of the camera, but we're making a video today because I'm also the web designer and I'm going to show you how to use our website. So we're going to jump right in at dynamiccorvettes.com and we're going to be looking for a part. So there's a couple of different ways that we could do that. If you're not quite sure what you're looking for, I would suggest starting with the catalog tab. So the catalog is organized by generation. You have the C1 parts first, then C2 and C3. And then within each of those categories, you'll see that it goes from the front of the car to the back of the car. So C1 actually starts on page 14. And that is because the first thing we start with is all of the new products that we have in the catalog. So we're going to scroll down to page 14, and you'll see the page numbers there in the bottom corner. And here we are on page 14, and you'll see that we're working our way from the front of the car to the back of the car. So now you scrolled through the catalog and you found a product that you like. If you'd like to find more information about it, note the product number. It starts with the generation, so in this case it's C1- and that part number is 109. There's a search bar in the top right corner of the website, so I'm going to click in that, and I'm going to type in our part number and hit enter. So we can see here we get our one result. If we click on that, it's a link that's going to take us to the product page. There's a couple of different ways to get here, but this is a pretty easy way to do it. Now that we're on the product page, we have our pictures, we have our short description up top, and then you see here, if you keep scrolling, we are going to find the full description. Now the full description is going to have any video that we've made that in some way relates to that part. So it could be things specifically about the part, or maybe general advice on how to install it, or leveling a car, or anything that we thought might be good to know. So when we scroll to the bottom of the description, you'll see suggested products, related products, and then we also have helpful videos, which is just any general advice video that we thought would be good for customers. I tried as much as possible to have it all on one page for the part that you were interested in. Another way that you could find a part that you're looking for is to click on the custom fiberglass tab at the top. This is going to be a much more traditional e-commerce shopping site. So we see here we have, you could shop by generation, and we have links where products are broken down into generation, or maybe there's a specific type of part that you're interested in. So let's say that you were interested in a fender. We can click on fenders, and that's going to show you every fender that we make. So we can scroll down here, see what we like, and then click on one. And that'll take you to the product page as well. And the last way to find a part on our website is to just search for it. Go to the top right corner and type something in like engine cover and hit enter and see what comes up. A couple other things of note on the website is our instructions tab, which has all the instruction videos that we've made. And also the projects tab. If you hover over it, and then hover over either current projects or past projects, you'll see pictures, videos, descriptions of projects that we've done in the past. And also, if you're looking for instruction videos, you can head to our YouTube page and you could either search or you could go into different playlists that we've created to try to make things easier for any install that you're doing. I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, go ahead and reach out to us at info@dynamiccorvettes.com. Thanks for watching.